In part 3, we'll discuss the mass and weight. What is the mass? The mass of a body is the quantity of matter its content. What is mass? Mass mass is quantity of matter, physical quantity of matter its content. Quantity of matters its content. Quantity of matter its content. The mass doesn't change one position to another position. One position to another position. If the mass of body 1 kg and if we take on moon the remain 1 kg. Okay, the unit of mass kg, SI unit, and CGS unit gram. CGS unit is gram. CGS unit is gram. It is the physical. It is the scalar quantity. It is the scalar quantity. Mass is the scalar quantity. It is measured by the physical balance. It is measured by the physical balance or balance beam. It is measured by the physical balance or balance beam. Okay, mass, and it doesn't change its value after changing the position. One special case is interesting case in the relativistic case. In the relativistic case, this is for optional. Delta E is equal to delta mc square. This is the change of energy and this is the change of mass. If a particle move at comparable velocity or velocity of light, then the mass of body will be changed and the change of mass converted into the energy. I also repeat, if a body move with comparable velocity or equal velocity of light, then the mass of body change and the change of mass is converted into the energy. This is called the mass energy equivalent law. Change of mass is is equivalent by the change of energy. When this is the condition, when the particle move is comparable velocity of light. The change of mass has a formula. M is equals to m0 root under 1 minus v square by c square. This m0 is the rest mass, that is when a body is rest on the earth surface, and when a body move with comparable velocity of v or light, comparable velocity of light, then the mass will be this. Mass will be changes and the change mass converted into the energy. Okay. Next, weight. Weight is the force. It is the force. Weight is equivalent to the mass into gravity acceleration. Mass into gravity acceleration. The SI unit is Newton. SI unit is Newton and CGS unit is dyne. What is the relation between SI unit and CGS unit? 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. We'll try to prove it. 1 kg equals to 1 Newton equals to 1 Newton 1 Newton equals to 1 kg meter per second square. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram we can write, and 1 meter equals to 1000 100 semi second square. So you can write this gram semi per second square is equals to dyne, this equals to dyne, this equals to dyne. So this is 10 to the power 5. So here 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square, this is dyne. So 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Okay, next. So the weight is, also repeat, weight equals mg. If mass of the body is 1, so g is equals to 9.8. So weight is equals to 9.8. W equals to 9.8. W equals to 9.8. Now, one most important unit, the gravitational unit of weight, MKS system. That is MKS system, MKF. NKF system, kilogram force, and CGS is gram force. Kilogram force means 1 kilogram force, 1 kilogram force equals to 9 into 8 Newton. 1 kg force equals to 9 into Newton. If we convert 1 kgf into the force, so we have to multiply that g in SI or CGS value. I also repeat, 2 kgf. Kg is SI value or CGS value? This is the SI value, and we have to apply the SI value of g. The SI value of g is 9.8. 9.8. So 2 into 9.8. This is Newton. 19.6. Okay. If we convert 5 kgf into Newton, so 5 into kgf SI value, so g SI value is 9.8, 49. Okay. If we convert next gram force is equals to 980 Newton. Similarly, gram is CGS or SI value, CGS value. So we have to multiply G of CGS value. G CGS value is 980. So 980 Newton. Sorry, dyne. Sorry, dyne. Dyne. Next, 5 gram F is equals to 5 into gram CGS unit 980. So we have to multiply this dyne. So 5 kgf equals to 5 into 980 dyne. That's mean 49,000. This is the value of 5 kgf. Okay. Next, what is the difference of weight and mass? What is the difference of weight and mass? Weight, mass. This is the vector quantity as it is force. This is the scalar quantity, that is physical quantity only. It is measured by the physical balance. It is physical balance. Weight, mass. This is measured by balance, spring balance, and this is measured by physical balance. It is scalar quantity and it is vector quantity. As weight is equals to mg, so g value vary place to place, so weight of object will vary place to place. So the weight of object is vary place to place, but the mass of the object does not change. Okay. Next, the SI unit of weight. The SI unit of weight. The SI unit of weight is Newton and it is kg. This is the basic difference between mass and weight. Now, the value of G on moon equals to 1/6 time of G on earth surface. So what will be the weight of object on the moon? Weight of the is G 1/6. So weight of the object of moon is, this is 1/6 of the earth. Okay. Yes. Here, this is the part 3 over. We'll cover the wall in gravitational constant on part 2, part 3, part 2, part 1, part 2, part 3 respectively, and the PDF are given below to the link, and I also provide a WhatsApp group. Any interested student join this group, and I'll provide the video to the link. Okay, and next video, part 4, we will discuss some maths and numericals and also provide to the links. So bye.